unbox these 6-in-1 magnetic fast frames with me. So Tech sent these my way to try out, and I was really impressed unboxing them, how sturdy they really did feel. They have this nice coating on them. Here's all the sizes that you get in the 6-in-1. First thing you need to do is measure the clearance on your machine, and then install these metal brackets, attach these to the end of the adapter. Make sure to tighten them really well, because obviously your machine's going to be moving, so you want to make sure those are stable. To go over them and make sure that the screws are really tight so it doesn't become loose on your machine. And then you see this little bend in the frame. You want to make sure you do it down, not up like this, because that can cause problems and it can sit too high off of your machine. So make sure that you install it the correct way. See how when it's this way, it sits too high and it's gonna cause this bouncing. Now you just slide it onto your machine. It's super easy. Line it up, make sure it's within your hoop area. Always double check that with fast frames. I did use some sticky back because these shirts tend to slide around a little bit. But then you just align everything up, make sure it's in alignment with your machine. And then you can add any topping, and instead of having to add pins or clips, you just add the magnetic top on there, and then you just let it embroider like normal, and it comes out fantastic. Then you just slide it off, and look at that. I did add my affiliate link. You don't have to use it, but if you do, it's much appreciated. Let me know if you have any questions. Hope that helps.